Hey everybody, it's Dave with Resin Force Products. We are going to be discussing how to change the bag system on any kind of Longopac style, Diamond Pro, Helix bag, whatever name you're going to be using for the system you're using. But this style bagging system on your vacuum, especially the Diamond Pro vacuums, this is how you're going to demonstrate changing the bags, taking the old ones off, putting the new ones on, and then also bagging your dust in the process of the job site. So to start off, this is your bag right here. We'll show removing it first. Imagine this has dust in the bag right now. So what you would do is you'd pull this down a little bit further. Give yourself a little bit of slack to kind of create a little, I call it like a sausage roll. You know, create yourself a little sausage in the bottom. Pull it down. You can even pull it out a little bit. So imagine this is your dust. You're gonna grab it there, pinch it, and get a zip tie that comes with the bags. Tie this up, pull that nice and tight, pull it down a little further, tie it again. Now you've basically got two little sausages. Then get a sharp knife and cut it. And now you've got your bag of dust. And anytime you lift your bags of dust, I always recommend grabbing it by the two tails because you don't want these zip ties to pop off. If you were to grab it like this and lift, and all of a sudden this zip tie comes off or breaks, you're gonna have a mushroom cloud of dust in your face. So when it's on the ground, grab both ties, lift with your legs, not your back, and go dispose of this dust wherever you're gonna dispose of it. Now you've got the next bag ready to go. This is nice and tight, so it's gonna be sealed for your next, to continue your operation. Now say you're running out of bags, all your bags up here are gone, you need to replace it for a new pack. What you do is turn some little tabs up underneath, and I'll demonstrate and then we'll show you what they look like afterwards. But there's a little one inside here. So this comes off, and then to show you the tabs, these are the tabs here. They're spring loaded, you pull them down, and then when we go to put this back on, it's gonna be locked in place like this. So the way I just took this off, I basically reached up inside the bag. I was able to find this with my fingers, pull it down, turn it, and there's three of them. And then this whole system will just drop right down. So now we have a new bag that we need to put on here. So imagine this is just the old one we're pulling off. We're gonna take the flap out, pull this off. So you've taken off your old bagging system, now you have to put a new set of bags on. Now we have the new set of bags that we need to put on. We're using the Helix bags, and each box comes with 4 of these bundles. So you take one bundle, there's gonna be some blue ties around them, you just cut those with a knife. And then basically what you have is this little tube, it's like a sausage roll. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in this rim of the holder, make sure we're fully seated in that lip. And now we're gonna take the inside, basically you have the bundle of bags, and you have an outside piece and an inside piece. The inside piece we want to tuck inside the metal, so that way it creates a seal on the inside of the metal. Then coming out of the metal, you've got your bunch of bags, and then this outside piece we're going to pull down around the bottom. But first what we're going to do is we're going to get this put on the vacuum, and then we're going to reach up and just twist these little tabs here to lock it in place. And now we're going to take the outside piece of this bag, pull it down, and I ran out of zip ties, but then you will zip tie it here, and then you're ready to go. I suppose worst case, if you don't have a zip tie, just tie it. Now you're ready to work. I hope this helps you guys with changing out the bag system on your Longopac or your Diamond Pro or whatever kind of system you have. And if you have any questions, feel free to chime in the comments below. Give us a call, shoot us an email, support@cleanprosupply.com. We're happy to help. Take care.